Hey guys, in this video I will show you this amazing opportunity of how you can make a 50% profit of basically doing nothing, just logging in daily, and you will get your reward. Before we start this video, please like, share and subscribe. Now in this video we're gonna talk about WeShare Abundance, this amazing company that will allow you to have a monthly income. So this site or this company has the Visa token. Before we start with this site, I will show you first where you can buy the Visa token. Actually, the Visa it's on Waves Exchange. As you see here, I have the application, and I will leave the link for the Waves Exchange. I will leave the link in the descriptions. All the link will be in the description. So this is Waves Exchange. Here is Visa, as you see here, Visa. Now you will buy it from here. You will click on trade, and it's traded versus BTC and Waves, Altcoin. Now, what is basically WeShare Abundance is you stake your Visa coins, you read your messages every day, and you will earn up to $5 a day for 30 days. I will show you this now. I will log into my account and show you. So this is my account. So basically when you sign up, signing up is very easy. You just, put your first name, last name, and something like that. I will show you here. Here is my sponsor. Now, as you see here, this is my credits in Visa wallet. So basically what you do after you sign up, you come here to pool options. You can start for free, no need for investment at all. For free, you will be at pool 1. You will earn 1 cent per day just for logging in for 30 days. So that's $3, and basically you do nothing, but it's just for 3 months. Now, pool 2, or sorry, yes, this is the free pool. Pool 1, you will earn 10 cents for 30 days. Pool 2, you will earn 15 cents for 30 days. Pool 3, you will earn totally here 50 cents for 30 days. Pool 4, you will earn $1 for 30 days. Pool 5, you will earn $2 for 30 days, and pool 6, you will earn $5 for 30 days. So what you will do if you buy these all pools in the first 48 hours, you will get a cash back of $25. So how you do this? You choose here how many pools you want to buy. So you click basically for add to cart, pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, but you can't skip any pool. You should buy these pools in order. Like if you want to buy pool 3, you can just buy pool 3. You have to buy pool 1 and pool 2, then you will buy in pool 3. So you click on add to cart, then you click on checkout. So as you see here, and you choose here for Visa token. For Visa token, you will get a 20% discount. So it's much better to use the Visa token. You click on Visa token, you click on confirm, and okay, I don't want to confirm my order because I already have. Okay, so that's it. After you buy these pools, basically what you have to do is just come daily to read here the messages and log in, and you will earn here $5 per day. There is a free lottery every month in the beginning of each month, which you will have the chance to earn up to $5,000. And for every referrals, as you see here, the downline, I will be very happy if you join my team. The link will be in the description. For every referral, you will earn commissions. And for every referral for your referrals, you will also earn commissions. So this is very amazing opportunity. It's have been here for more than 1 year running, and basically that's all. Hope you like the video, hope you join this amazing program, and happy earnings. Goodbye.